Welcome to June 10th LeetCode challenge. Longest substring without repeating character. Give the string S. Find the length of the longest substring without repeating characters. So example 1 here, we have ABC, and then we find A again. So we know that the answer is ABC without it's the longest substring without a repeating character, which is the size of 3, length of 3. If we have repeating characters all the same, if all the same character, therefore the longest length would be 1 because the longest substring is 1 character. And then this, if we find basically the longest substring within this example 3 would actually be WKE, which is the length of 3. So, yep, that's pretty much it. Notice that the answer is has to be a substring. Yeah, it can't just be any random characters. It has to be all contiguous. So the length of S is between 0 to 5 times 10 to the 4, and S consists of English letters, digits, symbols, and spaces. So in this one, we could probably solve this using a sliding window approach, and we could keep track of the last character we've seen. So say we develop a set called scene, and we're going to just store all the characters that we've seen inside it. And then what we want to do is develop a window. Is it a window that we want to store? Yeah. So we're going to store so we keep track of the last character, so we can call this window. That's going to be 0. And we're going to store the length that we're going to return, so the longest substring, which is longest. That makes sense. Sure, let's do that. And then for character in the range of length of S, so we iterate through each character in the range of S. We are going to iterate until the window is valid. So if we see that the string at the character is in scene or set, then we're going to update the window to be the following. We're going to update the maximum between our scene set at the character string or the window size. Otherwise, we would have to update the scene character index within the string, I should say, to be the character plus 1. So that would be the we update the index of the set scene, I believe. Yep. Next thing we're going to do is update the longest length we have, to be the max between the longest we have so far, or the character count minus the window size plus 1, because now we're on this current character. And in this, we want to return the longest character we see. And this should hopefully work. So this is using the sliding window principle approach, and we just keep track of the last character we've seen in the set. And we just iterate through each character, and then we just store it inside our set, and then we just find the maximum number in case if it's not added to the set. And that's pretty much it. It's using big O of n time complexity, where it iterates through both the window size and the longest length amount once through the input S, and space complexity is big O of n. Alright, that's it. Have a great day, guys.